Look at that, all perfectly ready to plant. Might as well be comfortable, right? This was all prepared yesterday with my helpers, and it was all moist and it would have been perfect to plant. But by the time we got to this, my back was shot. Couldn't do it. Hey everybody, Kay here on the homestead. How's everybody doing on this Resurrection Sunday afternoon? You'll be seeing this tomorrow. I put in a few hours in the side garden doing some planting that should have been done a month ago. But that's why they call my channel Late Bloomer. So I've got my fingers crossed that the onions and cabbages will do well over there. I just wanted to say, if you've been watching me for a long time, you know I do these videos where I work. There was wind, there's a lawnmower across, there's, you know, noise, and you've seen me plant a million times. So I thought, just enjoy the music, watch the planting, and enjoy this meditation on Resurrection Sunday. Take a look. Now, I always use voile, and I've talked about voile, which is also called tulle or nylon netting in the fabric store. And I've used that on brassicas for as long as I've been gardening. I discovered it from, I forget where I discovered it. Maybe I thought of it. At any rate, I know I was using, like frost cover blanket or whatever, or ground cover, and you couldn't see through it. And I wanted to see what was going on with my plants. You can't see through it. And watering through it doesn't work as well either. So voile, I thought of, I was a big seamstress back in the day, and I thought voile is perfect because you can see through it, and it comes in different colors. So I always used red, and which is pink by the next season if it's not ripped to shreds. But at any rate, it's the best thing for keeping cabbage moths from laying eggs on your brassicas. Okay, so I didn't use that last year on my cabbages, and they got really attacked, and I just decided I had a lot. I bought some cabbages from some starts from my neighbor, and I had a lot, and I just said, I'm just going to leave the worst ones for the bugs, and then I'm going to start spraying with the OMRI certified for organic gardening bug brew. And so that way I got a few good cabbages. Okay, so cut to today. I have been planning to plant these cabbages. This was the second seeding that I did. And in all of the time that I've been waiting to get them planted and nursing along the second planting, which is what went in, I never thought, Kaye, you don't have any voile. You don't have any tulle. And the last time I went to look for a fabric store, way over, miles and miles over, it was closed. So today, I got the 3 cabbage rows planted, and I was just sitting in my chair relaxing for a minute. Was I? No, I was up watering. And I was watering the leaves. If you don't water the leaves, they'll blow away, and it's windy, so if they dry out and the wind keeps up, they'll be gone. They'll be all dispersed in the morning, but at least it's something, some mulch to keep the moisture in. Anyway, I look over, and I'm watering, and here is a cabbage moth. I hadn't even been out there but like a half an hour, and they found it. It's crazy. Nothing has been there for no brassicas. I've never planted brassicas over there. So how this little butterfly moth can see that from the sky and know where it is, smell it, I don't know. It's crazy. So I squirted my hose at it, and it kind of flew away, and I thought, okay, go get the bug brew. So I did that. But I got to get some voile. missed you. I've been calling you for hours. Were you hunting? Were you hunting? I'm so glad to see you. She just meows and strolls in. Okay, you can roll against that one, but you can't roll against the ones I've planted, okay? Have we got that straight? Hey. You've been in this garden for 3 years. You know the deal. Stay off the plants, okay? 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 Okay. Okay. Thank you. All right, I got to get back to work. I'm glad to see you. Okay? Okay, just go lay down over there. That's an excellent spot. Just lay right there. Oh. Hey, thanks so much for watching my channel and supporting it. You can find ways to support the channel underneath each video in the description. I have discount codes, and if you're ordering things, you might want to take a look down there. Help me help you at no extra cost to you. So thank you so much for your support, watching me, and please share with a friend, and I look forward to you subscribing if you haven't already. Click the bell for notifications so you won't miss an episode, and I look forward to seeing you soon in another video. God bless.